Psychology fact: good morning and good night text messages activate the part of the brain responsible for happiness. Nobody wants to hear this, but sometimes the person you want the most is the person you are best without. Our fashion and dressing sense affects our confidence. When we wear nice clothes, we feel more confident and relaxed. Women and men solve problems differently. Women have an emotional approach while men take actions. A boy and a girl can never be just friends because one of them will inevitably fall in love. People who blush easily are more generous and trustworthy than those who don't. Psychology says, talking with someone for a long time increases the chances of falling in love with him, her. If we have Plan B, our Plan A is less likely to work. With options, our motivation to succeed the first time drops. Human nature is that they tend to ignore those who like them and pay more attention to those who ignore them. Adults who use smartphone for more than 6 hours per day are more likely to face moderate depression, mood swings, and anger issues that affect their personal life. Worrying is a waste of time. Good and bad things happen in life. You just have to keep living and not stress over what you can't control. You change for two reasons. Either you learn enough that you want to, or you've been hurt enough that you have to. You never know how strong you are until being strong is the only choice you have. Cheaters tend to think everyone cheats, and liars always think everyone lies. Some people are actually afraid of being too happy because they think that something tragic will happen. This is known as cherophobia. You seem to think more about a specific individual than about catastrophic event. Most people speak the truth when talking late at night because when they are tired, the brain does not think much and gives honest answers. People remember information which they can relate to a memory and forget the info they doesn't like. People who view crime shows and films have consistently overestimate the frequency of crime in the real world. Psychology fact: the average high school kid today shows the same level of anxiety as the average psychiatric patient in 1950s.